answers. God, I turn to you. You are my help when I need wisdom. You always see me through. To know that you're chasing after me, it makes me wanna run to where you are. God, you make this journey worth it. I give you all my heart. When I don't know what to do, you help me figure it out. God, I run to you. When I need a solution, I have no doubt that I will run to you. I run to you. I run to you. I run to you. I run to you. Wherever there is freedom, I know that's where you'll be. You make me wanna do what's right and be the best version of me. To know that you're chasing after me, it makes me wanna run to where you are. God, you make this journey worth it. I give you all my heart. When I don't know what to do, you help me figure it out. God, I run to you. When I need a solution, I have no doubt that I will run to you. I 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 don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop living for you. For you. I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop running to you. To you, God. I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop living for you. For you. I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop running to you. To you, God. You're all I need. My source for everything. When I don't know what to do, you help me figure it out. I run to you. When I need a solution, I have no doubt that I will run to you. When I don't know what to do, you help me figure it out. God, I run to you. When I need a solution, I have no doubt that I will run to you. I run to you. I run to you. I run to you. I run to you.
What are you doing out here, John?
I just wanted to show you how green my thumb is.
Oh, it's not green.
It's just an expression. No, I'm trying to grow a unicorn.
You know that's not how those are supposed to work.
Just water it a little bit and then wait.
Wait for what? There's no way that this is going to...
No! Oh! Well, don't just stand there, Brandon. Help me catch it.
How? But you just...
Brandon! Oh, no! They bite! Ah! They bite! I'm John.
I'm Brandon, and...
Welcome to the So and So Show! And we have a show we know you're gonna dig.
Ha! Yep, you might say this show is groundbreaking.
Unless it gets too deep.
What do you call a man with a shovel?
What?
Doug. What do you call a man without a shovel?
What?
Douglas.
Okay, I think we're done.
Okay. Well, not until we get to the bottom of this.
Yeah, I think we're as low as we can possibly go. Moving on.
Today is a very special day.
One that has been long talked about and patiently waited on
Actually,
for eons.
no one knew anything about this.
One that no one knew about yet will go down in history.
That's right. Several months ago, John and I buried a time capsule.
Yeah, and in case you're like me, time capsules,
Capsule.
those things are not places where you keep clocks.
Nope, it's a container where you put objects of the present time. Could be anything, comic books, movies.
Can of SpaghettiOs.
Anything. Then you bury it and dig it up in the future so you can see how much has changed during the time it was buried.
So we decided to preserve some of the moments we've had here on the So-and-So Show.
And that way we can see if we've learned anything since they happened.
Yeah, and that will help us make wiser choices in the future.
Exactly. So without further delay, it is time to open the time capsule.
Whoa. All right, let's see how this thing held up. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Woo. All right.
Here we go.
And, oh, hey, look at that. A VHS tape. Can you believe we used to watch movies on these things?
Why did we preserve our moments on VHS? We didn't bury the time capsule that long ago.
I don't know why we preserved it, but let's watch it.
Is there a problem with the way I'm speaking today?
No, you speak properly. Here we go. All right, and we will. I don't know how, I'm not sure this fits into the.
Amateur.
What is that?
Ancient technology I borrowed from the museum. Moment number 1.
Food fight during the credits! Ah! No! Oh, yes! Oh, this is... Who? Oh my gosh, the Salisbury steak is disgusting! Ah!
I remember that very well. What wisdom did you gain from that, John?
I learned that it's unwise to have a food fight in a box with someone whose arms are longer than yours, even from here. Oh, wow. Yeah, see?
I learned that mashed potatoes, though tasty, are not good for your complexion.
Oh, good to know.
Yeah.
All right, moment number 2.
It's over here. Over here. There you go.
Grab a handful. Woo! Let's do 2, just for good luck.
Okay.
Wow, that's amazing! The plastic building bricks completely disappeared.
Are you serious? They're clearly right there.
Shh, I'm concentrating. Let's hop slosh!
John loses.
Oh!
And that's all the time we have for Hop Slosh.
Any wisdom there?
Yeah, I think maybe I'll wear shoes next time I play hop slosh. Better traction.
Yeah, very true. Moment number 3.
Oh, cookies! Ooh, and milk! Mm-hmm. Oh. Milk. good. It's so good. Okay.
Next time, you should pour the milk into the glass before you eat the cookies.
I'm not sure I learned anything.
Yeah. Got milk?
Don't mind if I do. You know what else is wise?
What?
It's Bible story time with Kellen. It's Bible story time with Kellen. It's Bible story time with Kellen. It's Bible story time with Kellen.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, we were just learning from our past.
Oh, that's cool.
Actually, we have a moment for you.
You do?
Yeah, Kellen moment.
Do you guys need anything else?
Nope. We don't need anything else, Kellen.
Good. You could have warned me.
Yeah. Bye, Kellen.
All right, I'll see you guys next time.
Did you gain any wisdom from that moment, Kellen?
Yep. Slime takes a long time to get out of your hair, so I do not recommend getting it in there.
Very wise.
Hey, do you have something for us?
I do, and it has nothing to do with slime.
Perfect. Take it away, Kellen.
Today's story is actually a verse from the book of Romans, which was a letter Paul wrote several years after Jesus died and rose again. This is how the verse starts. Don't live the way this world lives. Let your way of thinking be completely changed. What Paul wrote was so different than anything people were used to back then. So, to help me tell things a little different, I've got my cheer squad with me. Take it away, girls.
Yo, Jackie. What up, Dee Dee? Are you ready to lay down some wisdom? Girl, let's do this. Do not live the way the world lives. No, let the way you think completely change you. Do not live the way the world lives. Change the way you think right now.
Don't live the way this world lives. Let your way of thinking be completely changed. The world might be telling you to only look out for yourself. But when Jesus was here, he said we should love others. That's an entirely different way to think. Paul wrote that when you think that way, then you will be able to test what God wants for you, and you will agree that what he wants is right. I think we should hear how the cheer squad breaks that down.
Hey, Jackie! Talk to me, Dee Dee. Do you like tests? Oh, I destroy tests. Kick it. Once you change the way you think, you and God will be in sync. Then you can listen, study, and test to know God's will is the best. Dee Dee.
If we let our way of thinking be completely changed, we can see for ourselves that what God wants for us is best. Because after all, his plan is good and pleasing and perfect. Let's hear one more from the squad.
You know what I was thinking, Jackie? What were you thinking, Dee Dee? Oh, that I'm ready to wrap this thing up. Oh, I was thinking the same thing. Ready, set, base. H-I-S, his plan is good. It's pleasing and it's perfect, that is understood. H-I-S, his plan is good. So follow God at home and in your neighborhood. Your thinking must change so that you can test. H-I-S, his plan is the best. Woo!
Let's give it up for the cheer squad.
Woo! See you later.
Paul was pretty clear. We need to let our way of thinking be changed. Now, this won't happen overnight. This is a lifelong commitment to let God lead us into his way of thinking. When we do that, we'll learn what's best and we'll make wiser decisions.
Like eating only 5 slices of pizza instead of 9.
I would say that's wise.
Or deciding not to stay up all night playing video games?
Very wise. Or maybe just listening to what your parents or teachers are asking the first time they say it instead of the 7th.
That would make a big difference, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Kellen.
No problem. I'll see you guys next time.
We'll do.
Sure thing. How long do you think it took him to get all the slime out of his hair?
I don't know, an hour?
I was going to say 3.
2 days.
2 days?
2 days.
Sorry.
Now it's time to
Reveal the question.
How are you wiser than you used to be?
I think I'm wiser than I was 20 minutes ago because A, now I know how to play a VHS tape. And 2, I learned some new cheers. H-I-S, his plan is good. Yeah, yeah.
And I'm wiser because I used to think doing a cartwheel down the stairs was safe until I landed on my face.
Really? What grade were you in?
It was last week. Moving on.
Okay. Talk about it together. How are you wiser than you used to be?
And we'll see you next time. We'll be making some new moments for the next time capsule, and I am sure it will be oh so wise.
Yes, and probably a little silly too.
Oh, definitely. That's the So-and-So Show, everybody. Bye.
Capsule!
That's right.
Capsule!
That's how it's spelled.
Capsule.
Capsule.
Zigzag, zigzag!
Who's chasing who?
I'm chasing that guy!
All right. He tastes better.
Chasing you! Unicorn, come out to play! Whoa! Oh, I juked the unicorn!